Hello everybody, today in front of me I have POCO F4 smartphone, and in today's video I will show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, open up the general settings app. Here scroll down for a little, find the apps category. At the apps category you go for the manage apps section. Here tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your display, default apps, browser, and here just select Opera, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set it as your default browsing app. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Let me find it real quick. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar picture, then tap on this gear that stands for settings, scroll the page down, find the default browser category, click on next, select Opera and set it as default, and that will also mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default app for browsing. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.